Hello everybody. In this moment I'm going to do a tour for the English 6 course. This is a agenda course and agenda course in the initial moment we have task 1 in the um, intermediate moment. We had task 2, unit 1, and task 3 um, and task 4. This is color agenda, and the task 1 uh, activity begins on uh, 70 August and activity ends on 3 August. Okay, we're going to see course presentation. Course presentation is this
How to
presentation.
interact with this resource. Initial preparation. As an adult student currently at a B2- level proficiency, how do you plan to further enhance your language skills to reach a course information? Course name, English 6. Code 518011. Number of credits, 3. Number of units, 3. Program, licenciatura en lenguas extranjeras con énfasis en inglés.
Okay,
Learning purpose. English 6. Course
Course
units.
unit.
The color-coded agenda.
Agenda.
Activity guides. Evaluation rubrics. Core problem. The core solution to problem. Invitation. References. Muñoz
This
M.
is the
2023. Syllabus of the course English 6. PDF. Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia.
Okay, and now we're going to see the rules and conditions the course. This is my election, and we must to accept this rule. Okay, now we're going to see we're going to see syllabus of the course English 6. This is syllabus the course information and course learning strategy, course content, organization, and teachers support. This is the course syllabus. And we came to see the activity guide the English course. This is activity guide. This is activity guide and evaluation rule. Task 1. This is activity guide and evaluation rule. Task 2. This is activity guide evaluation rule. Unit 2. Task 3. And this is activity guide evaluation rule. Unit 3. Task 4. And this is activity guide evaluation rule task 6. Okay. And we're going to see now. We're going to see the initial information. In the initial information environment, we had a news forum and general forum, the course. And the learning information, we had syllabus of the course English 6. We had unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, and guide evaluation rule on the different unit, discussion forum, and in the evaluation environment, we have in different aspects as a task 1 and evaluation rule and activity submission. Unit 1, task 2, unit 2, task 3, unit 3, task 4, and task 5. The testing of the dice evaluation quiz. And finally, we had task 6, the ultimate language scale evaluation rule and activity submission. And okay, this is my turn. Thank you so much.